Hi there.
Hello, sir. How can I help you?
Is Mia Smith in the office?
Yes, she is in the office.
Can you call her, please?
Yes, I can call her. What is your name, sir?
My name is Ninus Carter.
Why do you want to meet her?
I have something important to discuss.
Where have you come from?
I have come from Mumbai.
Sure, I will call her right away.
Thank you.
Please wait here for a moment.
Sure, no problem.
Would you like some water?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Is this her office?
Yes, this is her office area.
Does she come early every day?
Yes, she usually comes early.
That's good. Are you visiting Mumbai or working there?
I am working there.
Oh, nice. What do you do?
I work in a small company.
That sounds good. Do you know when Emma will come out?
She will be here in 2 minutes.
Okay, I will wait.
Do you want to sit?
Yes, thank you.
Please sit here.
Is this a busy office?
Yes, it is very busy.
I can see that. Do you meet Emma often?
No, not very often. Oh, here she comes. How was your trip from Mumbai?
It was fine. Not too long.
Did you come by flight?
Yes, I came by flight.
Great. Would you like some tea?
Yes, a little tea is fine.
Okay, I will call someone.
Thank you.
So, why did you want to see me?
I need your advice on a project.
Oh, what project?
It's a new business plan.
Interesting. Do you have the files?
Yes, they're in my bag.
Please show me.
Here they are.
Thank you. I will read them.
Take your time.
This looks good.
I'm glad you like it.
Do you want to work on this together?
Yes, that would be great.
Perfect. When can you start?
I can start next week.
That works for me. Should I send you the full document?
Yes, please email it today.
I will do that.
Great. Anything else?
No, that's all for now.
Okay, let's meet again tomorrow.
Please come inside the meeting room, Emma.
Thank you, Ninus.
This room is very quiet.
Yes, I like this room for meetings. Do we have a long meeting today?
No, it will be a short meeting.
That's good.
Please sit here.
Thank you. Did you bring your documents?
Yes, I have them with me.
Great. Can you show me the first file?
Sure. Here it is.
This looks interesting.
I worked on it last night.
I can see that. Do you like the plan?
Yes, it looks good.
I'm happy to hear that. Can you explain this part to me?
Yes, this part is about the budget.
Oh, I understand now.
Sure. What change?
Maybe we can make a small change.
Yes, that is possible.
We can reduce the cost here.
Please send it to me after you update it.
Good. That will help us. I will update the file today.
Perfect. Do we need another meeting tomorrow?
I will send it by evening.
Okay, I will come on time.
Yes, a short meeting in the morning.
Emma Carter, is that you?
Great. Thank you, Ninus. Wait, Nino? Nino Carter, is that you?
Yes, I work in this office now. What about you?
Oh my God. Yes, it's me. I can't believe this. After so many years. I'm so surprised. You work here?
Wow, that's amazing. When did you come?
I came this morning. You look exactly the same.
Thank you. You also look the same. How are you, Emma?
I'm good. And you?
I'm great. Even better now after seeing you.
This is such a nice surprise.
Yes. I never thought I would meet you here.
How long have you been working here?
Almost 1 year.
That's good. Do you like this office?
Yes, it's a nice place to work.
I'm happy to hear that. Are you staying here for a few days?
Yes, maybe 2 or 3 days.
Then we must meet properly.
Yes, I would love that. Let's go for a coffee later.
Perfect. Let's do that.
Great. I'm really happy today.
Me too, Nino. It's so good to see you again.
How was your trip from Mumbai?
It was fine. Not too long.
Did you come by flight?
Yes, I came by flight.
Great. Would you like some tea?
Yes, a little tea is fine.
Okay, I will call someone.
Thank you. I need your advice on a project.
So, why did you want to see me?
It's a new business plan.
Oh, what project? Interesting. Do you have the files?
Yes, they're in my bag.
Please show me.
Here they are.
Thank you. I will read them.
Take your time.
This looks good.
I'm glad you like it.
Do you want to work on this together?
Yes, that would be great.
Perfect. When can you start?
I can start next week.
That works for me.
Great. Anything else?
Should I send you the full document?
Yes, please email it today.
Please come inside the meeting room, Emma.
Okay, let's meet again tomorrow.
I will do that.
Thank you, Ninus.
This coffee shop is nice, right?
Yes, it's very calm and comfortable.
So, tell me, how is your life now?
My life is good. I live in Mumbai now.
Oh wow. Do you live alone?
No, I live with my family.
That's nice. Who is in your family?
My parents and my younger sister.
Great. How is your work?
It's good. I work in a small company.
What do you do there?
I work in the planning team.
That sounds interesting. And you? Tell me about you.
I live here in the city. I stay with my wife.
Ah, nice. Any kids?
No, not yet. Maybe soon.
That's exciting.
Yes, I hope so.
How often do you travel?
Not very often. Maybe once in 2 months.
Good. Do you come here for work?
Yes, mostly for meetings.
Nice. We should stay in touch now.
Yes, we really should. Can I have your contact number?
Sure. My number is 987-12345.
Thank you. I'll save it now. And what's your number?
My number is 998456678.
Okay, I saved it. Please message me later so I have your name saved.
Yes, I will send you a text.
Great. I feel very happy today.
Me too. It's so nice to meet an old friend.
It was really nice meeting you today, Nu.
Yes, Rohan. I enjoyed our time a lot. I feel so happy after talking to you.
Me too. It felt like old times.
Yes, it really did. I should go now. I have some work at the hotel.
No problem. I understand. Thank you for the coffee.
You're welcome. Anytime. Let's meet again before I leave the city.
Yes, please. I would love that.
I will message you later today.
Sure. I'll wait for your message. Take care, Rohan.
You too, Nu. Have a good evening.
You have a good evening too. Safe travels for tomorrow's work.
Thank you. See you soon.
See you soon, my friend.
Excuse me. Hello.
Yes. How can I help you?
I am looking for Green Park Street. Do you know where it is?
Oh, I'm sorry. I don't know.
Oh no. I'm new here.
It's okay. I'm also not from this city.
Really? Where are you from?
I'm from Mumbai.
Oh nice. I'm from Delhi.
Oh, so both of us are not local.
Yes, that's funny. Do you have the location on your phone?
Yes, but the map is confusing.
Let me see. Yeah, it's not very clear. I think I'm lost.
Don't worry. We can ask someone else.
Thank you. You're very kind.
No problem. Are you here for work?
Yes. I came for an interview.
Oh, wow. Good luck.
Thank you. What about you?
I came for a meeting.
Nice. Since we are both new, let's walk together.
Yes, sure. That will be nice.
I feel better now. I was a little scared.
Me, too. New places are always confusing.
True. Let's find someone who knows this area.
Yes, let's go. By the way, I'm new.
And I'm Maya. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too.
I think we can be friends.
Yes, why not? We already started. Well, do you think we are going the right way?
I'm not sure, but let's keep walking. Should we ask that shopkeeper?
Yes, that's a good idea. Finally, we got the direction.
Yes, now it's easy. By the way, do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling. What about you?
I also like traveling a lot. Which place do you want to visit?
I want to visit Goa.
Nice. Goa is amazing. What is your favorite place?
I like Manali. It's very peaceful.
Do you like mountains?
Yes, I love mountains.
I like beaches more.
Beaches are also nice. Do you like tea or coffee?
I like coffee. And you?
I like tea more.
Maybe we can go for tea later.
Yes, that would be nice. What are your hobbies?
I like reading books.
Oh, which kind of books?
Simple stories.
Good. Reading helps in learning English.
Yes, I want to improve my English.
Me too. Practice makes us better.
Do you practice every day?
Not every day, but I try.
I watch English videos.
That's a good way. Do you listen to English songs?
Yes, sometimes.
It helps with pronunciation.
Yes, you're right. Do you speak English at work?
Sometimes, but not always.
I want to speak more confidently.
You're already doing great.
Thank you. That's sweet.
You're welcome. Look, I think this is the street.
Yes, it looks correct. Thank you for helping me today.
No problem, Maya. Friends always help each other.
New. Do you practice English every day?
Not every day, but I try.
You should watch some good English videos.
Yes, but I don't know which channel is good.
I watch English for everyone.
Oh, really? Is it good? What do you like about it?
Yes, it is amazing. The videos are simple and very clear.
That sounds helpful.
The teacher speaks slowly.
Good. Slow is easy for beginners.
They teach daily use English.
Oh, that's perfect for me.
I practice with their videos every morning.
Do you watch them on your phone?
Yes, on YouTube. How many videos did you watch?
Many, maybe 50 videos.
Wow, that's a lot.
And every video is useful.
That's great.
The channel name is English for everyone.
Okay, I will remember that.
You should subscribe.
Why do you like it so much?
Because I started speaking better after watching it.
Really? That's amazing progress.
Yes, I feel more confident now. The videos are short.
Short videos are easy to watch.
And they post new videos every day.
Wow, daily content.
Yes, you will learn faster.
Nice. I really need that. Do you want me to send you the link?
Yes, please send it.
I will send it on WhatsApp.